Okay, number 5 says simplify the following expressions. So here we're multiplying. So 5m times 3m, well 5 times 3 is 15, and m times m is m twice, so m squared. 5m times 4, well 5 times 4 is 20, and m once. Negative 6 times 3m is negative 18m once. And negative 6 times 4 is negative 24 with no m's. Well, then we have to combine like terms. Here's my like terms. So I have my 15m squared. And then 20 minus 18 is positive 2m minus 24. Now on problems like this, you can use your calculator since the test is multiple choice. You can type what is given to you in y1. I don't type in m, but I can type x. And what I came up with in y2. And go to my table and see how everything in y1 and y2 matches. That means I did it correctly. So you can do that on all of these. Okay, here, again, same concept. We're multiplying, so negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times negative 6, well, 2 negatives makes a positive. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we have to combine like terms. So this has an x, this has an x, this doesn't, and this doesn't. So negative 15 minus 12 is negative 27, I believe. And then negative 10 plus 18 is positive 8. So again, you can type what's given to you on y1 the exact way you see it. And your answer on y2. Check your table, and everything matches, so I did it correctly. And I'm going to box my answers. Okay, so look at number 7. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 4 is positive 8. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Okay, like terms, like terms. So that gives me 6, 7, 8, negative 8x. And then again, if you're struggling to use your calculator, negative 2 minus 6. Okay, and then 8 plus 18, so plus 26. And again, you could check your work the same way I've been doing. Okay, again, we're going to double distribute. 2z times 3z, 6z squared. 2z times negative 4y is negative 8yz. Remember, put it alphabetically. Y times 3z, well, it's the same thing as putting a 1, so 1 times 3 is 3yz. And negative, positive 1 times negative 4y is negative 4y squared. Well, these are like terms. So you have 6z squared minus 5yz minus 4y squared. This is when you cannot check in your calculator because you can't type multiple variables. Okay, here squared means twice, so it just means you're going to write the same thing twice. And then you're going to double distribute just like we did on 5 and 8. So 3p times 3p is 9p squared. 3p times 5 is 15p. 5 times 3p is positive 15p. And 5 times 5 is positive 25. The middle two are the only like terms, so we have 9p squared plus 30p plus 25. And again, you could check your work just like we did before. Type what was given to you, 3x plus 5 squared, and then 9x squared plus 30x plus 25, and we did it correctly. So we're going to do it one more time. 4p times 4p is 16p squared. 4p times negative 7, 4 times negative 7, I can't think of, is negative 28, I knew that. P, negative 28p, and negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49, sorry. These are like terms. Now, when they match and they're both negative, they do not cancel. You would do negative 28 minus 28. That gives you negative 56. The only time they cancel is if you have a positive and a negative. So there's your answer.